From the trees, please.
Oh yeah.
Holy! It's over the grocery store. Oh my!
Welcome to, what's your channel name?
Farming sim.
Farming Sim. Well, what's your channel name?
To what?
Parker's. Should we call it Parker's Playground? Okay, welcome to Parker's Playground. This is Parker. He loves Farming Sim and he loves YouTube, so we're going to combine the two together for Parker's Playground. Okay, what are we playing today, Parker?
This one.
Perfect.
This one. No. Let's do this.
This map?
You have to choose which one of these too. Whatever one you push is the one that will be on there. I'm choosing Dozer.
Let's buy some land so we can jump some monster trucks.
Okay, first we need the wrong thing. Okay, Dad. You're,
Do you have your monster trucks ready?
no, we're just gonna build the jump first, okay?
I don't know what kind of jump you want to build.
Like, better than the last one,
Is this our farm here?
Yes. Better.
I don't know if it is or not. Not a very good jump builder.
You need to make it go like, ooh, a little bit
smoother.
crooked. The bank has $0 right now, but you just push X in, and the bank will get more money. And
Just like real life.
I don't know if that's gonna be a very good jump.
I don't think so.
But I think if you came from that way or that way, it would have been a pretty good jump. That just looks like a mountain. But we're gonna need a better jump than this one to jump that. Cause that doesn't even look like a jump. Maybe
Might work.
yeah, let's try it.
Try her. Okay. What trucks are we using?
So let's go into this. And then get this. I just gotta change it up a little bit. Like that.
What is that? Lizard Motors. TLX 2022. What color?
I'm not changing the color. I'm just changing the rims.
It's rims. Can we get bigger tires on it?
No.
No mud tires?
Those are mud tires because, see, they have the grip on them. Do you want to get another monster truck?
Let's get a couple, sure. Why not?
But let's just go with 2, okay?
We're leasing it?
Yeah.
Not buying?
We will buy this one.
I don't have money to buy that. Do you think?
Yes, I will. Just wait. Bought.
Perfect.
See?
Alright, 2 trucks. Let's do her.
This thing is very fast.
Alright, here we go.
I just
You know where we're going. Oh yeah, there's our jump.
That's pretty good. Let's go try the other truck. Maybe that.
Well, I'll bring them both over, sure. And let's get some speed.
This truck does not sound very good. The monster truck sounds better.
Here's our lizard.
This one.
Lizard Cruiser.
Is it actually a lizard?
I stopped in the engine.
Because I wanted to see if it was called a lizard. Is this thing actually a
So
lizard?
it says it was called.
A lizard.
A lizard.
A lizard Ford.
Oh!
Oh, 360.
360 landed it. Alright. Take them back. Let's see which one will jump further.
See if
Back as far as you can.
this is the fall.
Okay.
This is where we would.
Park it here. Oh, you're going? Sure. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, that's.
That wasn't very good.
No, that wasn't.
Try the monster truck. I think we need a guy that can build a bigger ramp.
No, we just need a faster vehicle. This thing's way too fast. I feel like I'm not even gonna jump anywhere because it's too fast. Whoa,
Oh.
whoa, whoa! That was better.
Right on somebody's house.
The monster truck is definitely the winner.
Definitely the winner. All right, what else are we jumping? So Parker went to the bank, got a big loan so we can buy the sunflower field.
No, not the sunflower.
We didn't buy the sunflower
No,
field?
the one, that one.
Oh, okay, we bought this field. They said, Parker, no problem. We have lots of money. Buy whatever you want. Know what they said? Okay, so now we're gonna put another jump on. Which way can we go? If we come from that way, we'd have lots of room. Try to jump over this building, maybe.
The gas station.
The gas station? Sure, why not?
Oh, it's off of my phone.
I don't know if we'll get that far, but
It's
I like the ambition. Let's do her.
build a bigger jump. Or a better jump.
So,
You
anyone out there know how to build a good jump? We'll see if anyone on YouTube gives us some answers. Think they will?
No.
You don't think they will? I hope so.
Dad, I'm gonna try.
Sure, you try and build this ramp.
Try it?
Sure. What are we jumping with? Same two trucks or you getting another one?
Let's start with these two same ones.
Alright,
I'm just gonna start destroying this field.
that's good. Oh, well, there's a pretty good jump. Maybe better than ours. Ready to go.
That's launch.
What's this one's name?
Same.
Oh, you missed.
It's because there's
It's the jump.
It's because these things get out of control.
Okay,
Try this one.
try the lizard.
This one.
The lizard cruiser. Going way too slow. Didn't even make it over the fence.
We did it. We need to go. We need to get a longer head start.
Alright, just right into the neighbor's field.
It will.
Stuck.
No, it will flip. We will get it. We will get it. We will get it.
Guess that one's done, totaled.
We need to go use this thing to flip it over.
Then do it. Run into the truck, push it over. More of that. There you go. Okay, let's go.
Go, go.
Oh, us!
Oh, on the gas station.
Cleared it. Does that count?
No.
So let's try the monster truck, something that's faster.
No.
Oh, there goes that
What? This is the second one. Just need to go slowly.
one. Slow to get over, and then just go fast.
Floor it.
Floor it.
This thing
Oh,
this
no.
thing is just wood. Everywhere.
What else? Do we have any other faster cars?
Yeah.
Get us something faster.
After I bought this, I'm actually gonna lease it.
Here we go.
This thing is way faster.
Alright, let's go.
This isn't a lizard.
It says it was a lizard.
This is a lizard.
Lizard monster truck.
Lizard.
Are you gonna show us how fast it is?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Make it right over the building.
Maybe my phone too. Just go slow
Warming
over.
up.
Just go slow over here. Then floor it. Floor it, floor it, floor it. Floor it, floor it. Floor.
That was the best one. Made it right over.
It is to heal. Just to heal.
To here.
The last
Right
one
to
only
the
went
diner.
to heal.
What if we jump? Let's try to jump the other side. See if we can jump over the trees. You can go all the way across this way. Right through our sunflowers.
Go in and fall.
Perfect. Oh yeah. Perfect. Okay, turn around. You're gonna crash.
Stop! I was stopping the brakes. I could have jumped out of the truck, but. Wait, here? Is this where the
Yep.
loop is?
I think it's over this way. Nope, other way. Other side.
Oh, I see it.
Yep, there you go. Here we go. Right over the trees.
Going over the trees, please.
Oh yeah.
Holy! Wait, it's over the grocery store. Oh my! It doesn't flip.
I'm still in good shape. Ready for another round.
Let's do that again. That's pretty cool, right?
Let's do it again on the next episode. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You gonna say bye?
Bye.
Bye. What are you gonna tell everybody to do?
I don't know.
Sparker's new channel. He wants you to subscribe to his channel.
And thumbs up.
And thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.